Hello, my name is Felipe Morales, but you can call me Pipe, and I'm an AI 1617 applicant. Who I am? I'm a Colombian guy, born and raised in Bogota, the capital of my country. And I had an amazing life. I deeply believe that I have had amazing opportunities, and because of those opportunities, I want to give back. And I want to go back to my country and develop it. That's my dream. I studied both computer systems engineering and business management. And then I had an internship in Ernst & Young as one of my external experiences. In ISEC, I joined in 2011 and was part of an IM team when it was the Orange platform. I did TM as LCVP, and then my MCP thought that I should be part of the BD team when I was MC in Colombia. Then I came here to the UK. I started doing MCVP IGIP, but now I'm doing digital experience. Because here, we believe that digital transformation is fundamental for the future of ISEC. I'm a stand for constant generation and development of opportunities through innovation and technology. I think that information technologies is the path, if not the more important one, to transform the world. That's what has happened in the last 15 years from my perspective. So I want to be part of that transformation. And this is connected to why I want to stay in ISEC. If you want to know more, refer to my application. It's the first question. Now, I want to explain to you what I foresee of ISEC and the systems that we use as an organization in the future. And I designed a 5-year plan. The first thing about this plan is understanding that there are a lot of things that we can develop. Like, it's almost an unlimited list. But the importance here is know how to prioritize and understand which things will add more value in each moment of the time. Yeah. And at the same time, how we foresee the future, how we can go a step ahead of the things, or if not a step ahead, how can we implement really fast? Because what's happening is it's really hard in IT to see what's happening in 10 years. Even in 5 years is really challenging. But the importance here is how we adapt those changes really fast. So for the term 1617, what I see is two main focus. The first thing is API growth. In the last 2 years, we've built a really strong platform in terms of exchange experience and management. Yeah. But now it's time to shift our focus on leadership added value. Here is where the LDM and the development that the platform enables takes place. So we need to think about not Opportunity Portal and EXPA and Company OP as platforms that are only exchange management system. So how can we add things in the system that add and develop this leadership? So what things need the person to experience, they need to experience, meanwhile they get to those experiences. Maybe are trainings related to each of the qualities. Yeah. Or maybe are constant reminders of how can they develop them. That's the first thing. So we need a leadership added value focus. And the second thing is API growth. Because yeah, we can develop, but we've seen in the last 2 years that developing a platform takes time. Takes time, resources, money, a lot of things. So we need to start integrating our platform to other services that have been already developed. And we can do this with API. I propose for the next term 3 main integrations. The first one, Facebook login, to strengthen our presence in social networks. Second one, Twilio, that is a platform that enables platforms to have video chats and communication. Why? Because interviews and the relationship between customer and members of ISEC is really important, but it usually happens virtually. But what happens is that the people need to go to other platforms, and that is not aligned to the customer service that we want to give. And finally, what I propose is a CRM for the companies. I propose a HubSpot CRM that is totally free and will improve the experience that we will give to the companies that register to the company open. Because yes, we will manage part of the CRM there, but what about the communication, the daily basis? I also, for this term, I propose first, improving the promotion standards of the opportunities. Second, integrating SDGs on it. And third, developing the first mobile front end. For the term 1718, I propose multiple front ends. What's this? It's like mobile app is just one front end of the different ones that we can have. Yeah? Because we have the back end that is our system, what we need to put is a front end in different devices. So in 1718 is where we're going to expand in terms of front ends. Also, this is the customer service focus. So how we enhance the experience of an EP that is going abroad. Because sometimes there is a huge gap between when we send someone and the contact that we have with them. So we need to have a platform that enables us that communication. Also, I want to integrate services providers. That means that in order to fund developments in our platforms, for example, we need to integrate a flight tickets agency that is promoting these flights and will pay us commission. Why we need this? Because we need to fund these developments. Right now, the budget for the information management budget in AI is just 20%. Then, going fast, in 1819 term, I propose to explore more ISAC membership tools, how we improve the ISAC membership programs, giving them tools just not to manage the exchange part, but how to manage the daily basis, the team basis. Also, to have a local volunteer focus, so how our platform becomes a meeting point for local volunteers. And we need to innovate. So what I propose is to go into the virtual reality time. So why don't we have a virtual reality immersion? In 1920, what I propose is virtual reality to try the experience. Why can't you do 2 hours of volunteering experience abroad? You try it with your virtual reality device and then you go abroad. Also, integrating new ways of promoting. Like for example, having 360 video within the place you're gonna work for GIP and you're gonna enter. Finally, we need a new front end and virtual expansions within the system. For 2021 term, we need to redefine once again. And this is a task of the new generation.